you gotta check this out. Absolutely beautiful. I'll get up here and I'll do a full pan around. Give you a bit of an idea on what the area looks like. It's absolutely bloody gorgeous. Let's just have a look out here. Gold mining area. They used to have all their horse and carts and buggies here. I don't even think the video is probably doing any justice. The place is just so beautiful. What do you reckon, Anya?
What a gorgeous little place.
Isn't it insane?
Absolutely beautiful. The most prettiest township I've ever seen.
I reckon.
A must see, absolute must see if you're in the area. And we haven't even started yet.
So we finally got Walhalla. Ragnar Lovebrook lives here. It's a bit of a walk, but I think it's going to be worth it. Should be some real scenic views up here. Let's do this. Right, we're up here. You can probably tell I'm not real fit. Check this out for a view. Holy McDolly. Where's Anya? There she is. Hello, Anya.
Ned Stringer was the first to find gold here. Word got out and the gold rush began. There were 10 hotels, 3 breweries, 7 churches and 30 shops. One of the most vibrant gold mining towns in the world. How'd you go, Gibbo? There were a lot of steps.
No worries, mate. Decent walk up.
Yeah, I reckon it would have been.
But champion, mate.
Good view from up there.
It's absolutely beautiful. G'day, how are you?
I'm sure she's the most popular shop.
Gee.
Ice cream, candy. A tornado, I haven't seen a tornado before.
I like it.
Love my boiled sweets, especially the apple flavour. And they taste good. You know, sometimes you get those.
It's the real ones, is it?
Oh, they're not bad.
Yeah, I like them too. At the moment, I'm enjoying this.
Enjoying this.
Oh my god.
of gold in Victoria and the subsequent rush that followed, the necessity to access the mines and the towns saw the coming of the steam locomotive.
We just stopped, got 20 minutes to explore. This place just keeps giving. It's so picturesque. This is the Thompson River. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Oh, the fish are red fin, are they? See if I can zoom in. There they are.
Where else would you want to be?
You wouldn't believe we're walking to a cemetery, would you? Alright, so this is the dead centre of Walhalla. Walhalla.
Wow, look at that for a view. How unique is that?
Yeah. It's actually quite a pretty cemetery. The walk is insane.
Most unique in Victoria.
Now apparently in here somewhere is a grave, and on their headstone, apparently if you read it, there's a curse or something. His name was Thompson, I think. If you read it, it's a curse, and within 3 months or 3 days or something, you'll die.
Well, it's certainly butterfly heaven up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all through the town, but it's
Not
the most
this
I've
much.
no, it's the most I've seen. Is this where they come to do the ghost tours, or you don't know?
I'm pretty positive it is. too. There are some fantastic campsites here. Wish we had a rooftop. Driving up to Mount Borbor, the poor mighty trotty was struggling and couldn't work out why. It's not good. It was overheating and everything. We found out afterwards that the radiator was blocked with mud and seeds and stuff from four-wheel driving. So yeah, just a tip everyone, check your radiator and clean her out, especially if you've been four-wheel driving. What do you reckon, Anya?
That's a good view, isn't it? Check that out.
Holy McDolly.
There's Gippsland for you.
Yeah, mountain bike riding, Anya. That'd be wicked up here, wouldn't it? How's this for a view at the restaurant?
And then down the back we've got views of Mount Buller. So during the winter time we can see them grooming their tracks and trails.
Yeah, right.
It's just amazing.
So we mountain bike ride, so this would be awesome mountain bike riding here, wouldn't it?
We've got some sort of family friendly stuff out the back here. Right. This is our
Black track.
This is our black track. If you will.
Yeah, love it.
We host the championship, one of the championship weekends.
Oh, do you?
Which is amazing that we've such a small mountain that we can host something like that.
All your little different pubs and the clubs around here.
Yeah, yeah.
And there's your cottages over there, and it'd be awesome up here in the snow.
You can get dingo cuddles from $39 per person.
He said stick your fingers in there, Anya. He likes to lick them.
Yeah. No. He said the dark one will bite your fingers. Hello. So he's Rowdy. The other one's hiding. So they've had puppies. Oh, here's the dark one up here. There it is.
Oh yeah. Big boy. Hello.
Couldn't give a rat's.
Nah.
Warrigal, come say hello. Come on. It's a big place, isn't it? Oh, always the kid. Somersault. Oh, that was going.
Get out of me. With these knees. Oh. So this is the ski lift area when there's snow here. That's the snow machine. They make their own snow.
And he's having another crack. Maybe take your hat and sunnies off.
Should Sure.
I didn't know what you were going to do then. I nearly dropped the camera.
I had no idea either.
Oh, gee. All right, well done. Bravo.
For that. Bravo for that.
When you're down and feeling like you're lonely, someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Yeah. Make your own sunshine.